Hello viewers, I'm here with yet another video on reading for correspondence. Let's see what do we have here. Let me share the screen. Okay, so Brian is writing to Matthew and Carol. So let us see what he is writing. Dear Matthew and Carol, I've been so busy for the past few weeks and now I finally have a chance to sit down and tell you what's been happening in our lives. I got a transfer to Montreal a few months ago and I've been here since. I've been so busy working that I haven't even had time to buy a house and I'm just staying with friends until things slow down at work for me. I think I will probably end up buying something as soon as I get a chance. Real estate prices are still pretty reasonable in Montreal, and I expect to be staying here for at least 5 years. Meanwhile, Brenda is still in Halifax with the kids. Even though she is only 4 months pregnant, she has decided to quit working and stay home until the baby is born. So now she is busy staying home, taking care of the family until they move out here. Hopefully, things will have slowed down for me at work, so I'll be able to spend time with the family and to look for a house, of course. By the way, do you remember Leonard, the sales manager in the Montreal office? I'm working with him now. He says that when he worked with both of you here, you frequented a restaurant called Old Napoli, just a block or two from the office. He told me to tell you that it has closed for some reason. I wish that I had had a chance to try it out. Leonard said that they made pretty amazing spaghetti and pizza there. Anyway, I guess I should get back to work here. I'm glad I had a chance to finally drop you a line, and I can't wait to hear what you've been up to. Take care and talk to you again soon. Your friend, Brian. All right. The question goes like this. Question number 1. Brian and Brenda are in the same city. B, in different cities. C, in Montreal. D, in Halifax. From the paragraph, we saw that they are living in different cities because Brian is staying in Montreal and Brenda is staying in Halifax with the kids. In different cities, B is the right answer. Brian is too busy to A, sit down, B, work, C, buy a house, D, rent a house. Brian is too busy to buy a house. C is the right answer. Question number 3. Brian dash A has bought a house. B has rented an apartment. C is living with other people. D has stopped buying something. He is actually living with other people, his friends. Okay. C is the right answer. Okay, question number 4. According to Brian, housing prices in Montreal are too low, B, too high, C, the reason he moved to Montreal, D, not too high. From the paragraph, we came to know that it is not too high. So D is the right answer. Question number 5. Brian is A, confident that he will stay in Montreal for many years. B, completely uncertain as to how long he will be in Montreal. C, planning to stay in Montreal for less than 3 years. D, planning to leave Montreal in less than 3 years. From the paragraph, we came to know that A is the right answer. Brian is confident that he will stay in Montreal for many years because he likes it there. All right, question number 6. Brenda is busy, A, working, B, with the children, C, moving to Montreal, D, moving out. She's busy with the children. B is the right answer. Question number 7. Leonard has worked with A, Brian only, B, Matthew only, C, Matthew and Carol only, D, Brian, Matthew and Carol only. In fact, he's worked with all the 3 people, Brian, Matthew and Carol. D is the right answer. Question number 8. Old Napoli is a restaurant. B has gone out of business. C makes good spaghetti and pizza. D is closed today. In fact, it is closed, but what reason? Because has gone out of business is the right answer. B is the right answer. Okay. Now, Matthew is writing to Brian saying, hello, Brian. Nice to hear from you. I'm not surprised that you haven't had time to get a house is the right answer, because from the paragraph we saw that he couldn't get a house, that he was so busy. All right. We have always known you to be pretty industrious. One thing I'm surprised at, though, is your news about the restaurant, because though sounds like a but as well, but we shouldn't be choosing but here. One thing I'm surprised at, though, is your news about the restaurant is the right answer. Though is the right answer. I've never had such great Italian food should be the right answer. So such is the right answer. I have no idea why they might have closed. Well, Matthew, and I wish you and your family all the best in Montreal. I'm sure you will enjoy it just as much as we did. Cheers, Matthew. So as much as is the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Sridhar Santhanam. I'm the founder of CELPIP Academy. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below. This way, I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side.